President Rodrigo Duterte has named Department of Information and Communications Technology Undersecretary Ramon R.J. Jacinto as Presidential Advisor for Telecommunications. His appointment has the rank of Secretary. Jacinto was a former presidential advisor on economics affairs and information communications technology. Jacinto graduated with honors from Ateneo de Manila with a degree in economics. He also took up law at the University of Santo Tomas. Jacinto is also a musician. He helped campaign for Duterte in the 2016 presidential elections. Jacinto also composed a campaign jingle for Duterte.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.